Hello, in the next episode. In today's video, I'm going to remove, the parental controls on Nintendo Switch OLED, and I've got also two normal Nintendo Switches, which I need to do exactly the same job. So I need to remove parental controls on them. So this video is for the parents who, forgot the PIN to unlock the consoles. So I will quickly show you how to remove this. Alright, so let's remove parental controls quickly. Okay, so this is Nintendo Switch OLED, and parental controls are on at the moment, and we don't know the password. Yeah, so we can type, and it doesn't work. Yeah, now we've got the message that if you enter the incorrect PIN 3 more times, we'll have to wait a while before attempting to enter it again. So I'm going to do this. Yeah. And now we've got a problem. So what I've done, I pressed the help button, and if we type, incorrect passwords so many times, and if we scroll this down, you can see inquire number and console serial number. Yeah. So what I need to do now, I need to enter the master key to remove, those pins. How to do this? So we need to go online. So we need to go to your Nintendo official site. So you need to log into your account. I already done this. And you need to type search, and you need to type master key. Search bar, and now we need to find Nintendo Switch parental controls pin reset. Now we need to type Nintendo Switch console serial number. And inquiry number. And agree with all terms and conditions. I'm not a robot, so submit request. And also you need to type your password. And as you can see, our master key was generated successfully. So what I need to do, I just need to go to my Gmail, and we've got our master key. To enter master key and type the key provided by Nintendo to remove the parental controls. As you can see, I just need to type a new PIN. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type 0, 0, 0, 0, and OK. 0, 0, 0, 0. So now we've got control on the parental controls options. Yeah. So what we need to do, we just need to go to the system settings, parental controls, change the settings, just type our password. Alright, so now we don't want PIN number, to be typed anymore. So we just need to get rid of this completely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going just to click delete settings. And you just need to confirm. Delete. Delete. So if you can see, there's no parental controls anymore. So we've just successfully deleted one parental controls. Alright, so job is done. We've got also two other Nintendo Switches. Let's have a look. And yes, we've got the parental controls. And of course, I have no idea about the password. I'm going to type wrongly password. And it's locked. So now what I need to do, I just need to press help, scroll down a bit, and again, we've got inquiry number, console serial number, and button enter master key. So let's go again to our website. Let's do the same. Parental controls pin reset. And let's type, the console serial number. And the inquiry number. Let's confirm. I'm not a robot. Submit request. Of course, the same password. Okay. And again, your master key was generated successfully. And we've got our master key. And we just need to choose a new pin, which is standard for zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. And that's it, yeah. So now again, system settings, parental controls, change settings. Let's type our password. And also, we just need to get rid of this parental control permanently. So I'm just going to click delete settings and delete. And also, we have no more parental controls. Alright, so I've got another one. This one. Same. Help. Scroll down. Go to our website, reset. Serial number. Done. Right, so the process is quite easy. To be able to remove the parental controls like I've done, you need to have another console, another Nintendo Switch. It can be OLED, it can be normal Switch or Lite, and it has to be linked to the Nintendo servers, and you need to have your account on Nintendo website already created. And this is the most important, actually. And then you can have, many different consoles. And if you need to remove the parental controls, you just need to do what I've done. You could see this. So it's simple. It's very simple. It's not difficult. If you don't have, personally, if you don't have another Nintendo Switch console, which is linked to the Nintendo website and servers, you can ask your friend. Yeah, probably one of your friend has got Nintendo Switch at home, and he's got account on Nintendo website. He's got his console linked to the Nintendo servers, so you can ask him to remove all the parental controls of your console. Very easy. You just need to give him the inquiry number, the serial number of your console, and he can generate for you the master key, which you just need to type in, and that's it. It's very simple. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.